Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking at Our Lady of Grace Catholic School here in, what city am I in?
Castro Valley.
Castro Valley, California. And it was an awesome time that I had with the students. We had first graders through eighth graders and talking about not only these three principles, unity, truth, and love, but really focusing on looking at someone's heart before anything else, just like Christ sees us, and that we see everyone around us as human beings before anything else too. Just like the shirt says, one race, human, is a big part of that inspirational type of message that I'm trying to convey when I do these talks. And we also focused on seeing people as true miracles before anything else too, on the lines of our hand, like it says in Isaiah, that he has engraved us on all of our palms, on our hands, and it says it right there, the M for miracle, the W for worthy, but it's up to us to not only see that in ourselves, but then be the light of Christ to others and help them see that in themselves too. I had a couple students came up to me as we talked about bullying today, and just saying that they've been bullied nonstop almost since they've been here, but that there were some tears, but those tears were sweat of their strength, and they started to finally heal and realize that the people that were doing this to them are hurting, and that they need kindness, that they need love, and they can be that person that tries to change their hearts. So I had an awesome experience here, just pure Jesus was flowing today, pure God, everything. The people were amazing. I hope to be back in to share my heart again soon. And like St. Teresa of Avila says, that Christ has no hands, mouth, eyes but ours. We have to go out and be his words, be his hearts. So keep shining your heart, keep shining your light. Thanks for touching my heart. Peace.